Hello, my name is Anna Campos, and I'll be teaching over the maintenance of life. What are the 5 environmental factors we need in able to survive in this world? We need water. Water is crucial to our body, and it accounts to 50 to 60% of our body weight, and it is the most single abundant substance in our body. Water provides an environmental necessity for chemical reactions and fluid base for bodily secretions. Our body functions chemicals are dissolved and transported in water. It also helps regulate our internal temperature, and it protects and lubricates our joints. Food, don't we all love food and the nutrition it provides? We couldn't survive without this one. Most of our necessity nutrients come from this. It gives us energy to fulfill our day. Nutrition also contains a chemical substance for our cell building. Carbohydrates are a major source of energy for body cells, as proteins are essential for building cell structure. Oxygen. Our cells can only survive for a few minutes without oxygen. We breathe in about 20% of oxygen. It is a key component to our chemical reaction to keep our bodies alive. The chemical reaction helps in producing ATP, energy. Our respiratory and cardiovascular make oxygen available to our body cells and blood. Heat. Our body responses to heat is sweating, which sweat evaporates as it removes thermal energy from the body and cooling it. Cold exposure to our body responds with a shivering, which is a random muscle movement that provides and generates heat. Our body temperature is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Anything above or below this, our body's certain proteins, enzymes will facilitate chemical reactions that will lose their normal structure or ability to function. Pressure. It's an application of force on an object that presses down onto our body. We may not feel it, but it keeps our gases within our body. Atmospheric pressure is a pressure that is exerted by a mixture of gases, mainly of nitrogen and oxygen. Breathing and gas exchange in the lungs depends on appropriate atmospheric pressure. Hydrostatic pressure. It's a pressure a liquid exerts. Our heart actions produces our blood pressure that keeps our blood flowing through our vessels. How does homeostasis help us in surviving? Homeostasis helps our body to maintain relatively stable internal conditions when our outside world is constantly changes, which indicates to a dynamic state of equilibrium. It keeps our bodily temperature regular. It helps our organs play a role in maintaining the consistency of our internal environment. It helps in maintaining blood pressure so that blood is propelled to all bodily tissues. The level of vital nutrients must be consistently present. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my presentation.